Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another Gamer Chase video. As you can see, I am on BuzzFeed, and this is actually a game that can sense what you like. So we're going to see if they know my all-time favorite movie. So, which of these is your favorite genre? Let me get my mouse. Mouse is... I don't know where my mouse is. It's an expensive mouse, too. I think it was like $30, but I don't really want to say that. But anyways, we'll just forget about it. Alright, so my favorite genre, chick flick, which I don't even know what that is, comedy, sci-fi, adventure, drama, or horror. Like comedy. Which of these decades had the best movies? Let's say 1990s or 2000s, we'll just say. No, 1990s, we'll do that. Which Hollywood hunk turns you on? Oh my god. I don't even know any of these guys. Will it change if I do 2000s? No. Alright, so we'll just do 2000s. Michael B. Jordan. I sort of know him. Alright, we'll do Michael B. Jordan. Pick the best second film in a famous tragedy. Back into the Future Part 2, The Dark Knight for a Few Dollars More, The Godfather Part 2, Lord of the Rings, Star Wars, Back to the Future. Which of these remakes shouldn't have been made? Annie, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Footloose, Psycho. I've only seen 3 of these, and these are those ones. So we're just going to say Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, because that's the worst movie they've ever created. It's good. I like it, but I'd rather... I don't know. I feel like Johnny Depp could have done a lot better. We'll just say that, and let it at that. Which of these is your least favorite genre? Western. So horror, chick flick, sci-fi, drama, I don't even know. How many times have you watched your favorite movie? Like 31 or 100 times. My favorite movie is called The Room. Yes, this definitely is your favorite movie of all time. You have to put up with all the Hallmark jokes, but you'll never stop bringing your favorite. Who cares if it's only 30% on Rotten Tomatoes or Tomatoes? You're probably still mad at it. Don't nominate for the best picture all of those years. So my favorite movie is The Room. Did they get it right? Fuck no. Let's retake it and try to do something else. Alright, so my favorite movie is horror. Or genre. We'll say the 1990s. And we'll say Michael B. Jordan again. Pick your favorite. Let's do The Dark Knight, because I've seen that one. Which of these remakes should have never been made? We'll say Annie. Wait, how's that work? My least favorite is horror. I don't even like sci-fi, so sorry. We'll say more than 100 times, because I've seen. Oh. I feel like I've seen this movie, though. Woot woot, this is definitely your favorite movie of all time. You moved the terrific acting, and special effects the film has to offer. Who cares if only has 6% Rotten Tomatoes? People love making fun of this movie, but you managed to see it for the masterpiece it truly is. Troll 2. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. See you guys later on the next adventure of King or Chase. I literally would say that this video freaking sucks. Because I don't even know what happened to these movies. But, see you guys then. Bye!